we got you guys. The new Lightning, what is this? $1 link. Kung Fu Master. This the only one open, so this the one we gonna play. Honey wanted to play Checkered Flag. We're gonna start with 5 cents to 50. Honey just jumped right on in. Let's go. So that must be wild. The green fists are wild. Oh, are they? No, he must be wild. Makes sense, right? And then this is our bonus symbol. All right. Okay. Come on, let's do it. Do it!
So close.
So close.
Come on with it.
What we put in here?
$80.
$80.
Yeah. See how we do on it.
Do it. Come on, Kung Fu. I really wanted to play the Chica Bonita, but out of 5 of them, they only got 3 of them up. So she is taking... Come on. Do it. Go Honey with his fast tapping.
About to get on her nerves, y'all.
No, you're not. Although I'm not a fast tap type of person. But he's not getting on my nerves. You want to try 1 cent?
Right.
Huh? Or 2 cent? Oh, wait. Can we? What is that? Oh, that's 25 lines. Was we playing the 50 lines? Oh, it had quarters too. I didn't know that. Yeah. Let's try $2. Oops. Sorry. I be playing out of turn. Ooh, screen. Where was you at on 5 cents, sir? Take it though. What you want, an ashtray? $7. Sounded good.
Sounded good.
Sounded good. All right, I will come back if we get anything else, you guys. Gonna keep playing. All right, I was trying to go live, but there's no signal in here. So we moved over to Chica Bonita. We put $100 in, took a $2 spin. So let's see what we can do, y'all. I'm really mad but I knew that my signal was gonna be funny here anyways. I have to be on the other side of the casino here. So we got $100 in. So there go the triple mini. That's what we want, but we want it like with the major.
Right.
We want it with like the major.
That's pretty.
Do it. Woo, bless you. ×3. Come on, chili peppers. That's our bonus symbol. I'm really mad that I have no signal in here for this. Come on. Those are our jackpots up there, y'all. Come on, big money. Here you go again.
I get with fast tap anxiety.
Yeah, it stresses me out. I'm not a fast tap person. When we make it to the other part of the casino, I'll try to go live again. But in this part, I can't because I don't know why. I don't even get reception up here to make phone calls. Come on, do it. Please don't take all our money. And I've been wanting to play you for so long. You have got to do something. Please. Please, Chica. Mr. Kung Fu over there took all our little money. Oh.
Kung Fu Master hard, y'all.
Boy, he was terrible. Took all our money. One thing I'm noticing though is I don't really like the pays on this. I don't think they're as good as the regular Lightning Link. But this is our first time playing it, so I'm not gonna be too hard on it. But I see everybody playing it on YouTube and they have so much fun and they're getting all these progressives. But I also know that I don't know exactly what they started with too, babe. Look at that. Let's switch up the bets or something.
It's about time for
yes.
one of those.
Yeah, let's switch the bets. Want to try 2 cent? Come on, Chica. Please. If we don't get the bonus, I probably won't play this again. Because this is hard.
Here it comes.
I mean, ooh! Thought that was it. Girl, what is you doing, baby? Now quit playing. Jeez Louise. Woo. Okay. Let's change the bet again. Jeez. Do it! It's not looking good, is it?
Oh, dang.
There it is. Oh, yes. Thank you, girl. Starting to lose hope in you. Shit. No, my damn nerves. Go,
Let's
babe.
go.
Yeah, but don't do that now. Don't do that. Thank you. Come on. Thank you. Let's get some bigger numbers.
Come on.
Pop, 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 pop. Thank you.
I need a word.
Please. Let's go. Pop, 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 pop.
Come on.
I seen. Ooh, there go the minor. Come on, minor. Come back.
Okay.
Please, minor, come back.
Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
Pop, 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 pop.
Keep me the game, coach.
Okay. Well, yeah, they took you out the game, but goodness. At least we got to see a bonus. Somewhat of a bonus. Somewhat of a bonus, but I'll take it. We got some of our money back. Did he get the bonus on that Kung Fu? All right, let's see the free games. And then let's run for the hills.
Run.
Woo. Come on, girl. Come on, Tika, Tika, Tika. Keep giving us 2 of those peppers. There it is. Ooh. What was that, $35? There go the minor flying through there.
I didn't see it.
I think it was a 7. It was a 750 ball.
Come on. Oh.
Do it again. Come on. Be hot like this pepper, girl.
Hot.
Be hot like that pepper, please. Do it.
Here we go. Or no.
Looks like a no. Come on, we're getting down to the nitty gritty, girl. Is that it? Nope. Come on. Last spin, y'all.
Come on.
Is this it? What we win? Nope, gotta do the lucky chance. First boat. All right, you guys, that was Chica Bonita and Kung Fu Master. Tough slot. Yeah, tough slot, but we're not putting nothing else in this. That's it on this. Please make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Yes, homeboy, homegirl was not good to us. Nope. Thanks for watching, guys.